Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Dowden. I'm really happy to be talking to all of you, and we sure do miss you guys a lot. I hope everything's going well at home, and I'm just going to take some time to show you how you're going to find your ELD lessons. So on your course screen, you should have either Mrs. Dowden Rudnick ELD or Krause ELD or Montgomery ELD. So if you're in Mrs. Krause's, you would click on Krause ELD. So I'm going to use that as an example. You click here, and then right here, you're going to see ELD assignments. You click on that, and then you're going to click where it says ELD assignments. And it's going to bring you to this web page. This is where most of your assignments will be. The first thing you want to do is see what the assignments are. So number one, please look at the 2 videos. So you have 2 videos to watch this week. Number 2, do your Edpuzzle assignment. And you can just click right here. Okay. So you're going to listen to the story and answer the questions. If you click on it, let me try that again. Oh, get started. Click get started. Okay. And then I just want to make sure that you remember to make the screen big by pushing here. And then you press play. And your lesson will start. Okay, so I'm going to get out of here. So let's see what else I need to show you here. Okay, once you're done with that, you need to go back to home. And you can do 20 minutes of Imagine Learning. The login to get in, well, first of all, press that picture and it takes you to your login page. Your login is, I put it in your messages in Schoology. So if you go back to Schoology and you go into your messages, you see this envelope here? Click View All. And here you're going to see a message from Mrs. Dowden. I'll show you what it looks like. So it'll say Imagine Learning Login Card. You push that. And then when you push this, it'll give you all your login information. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so all the login information is there, but remember, you have to push on this picture so you can see it. So once you have your login information, you can go back to the website, back to Imagine Learning, and then you need to put in all this information, your username, password, and the site code. The site code here, it's on your login card. Okay, when you're done with that, go, let's see, back to home, the home page, this page. Okay, and I just want to show you something here. If you guys have a question for me, you can go ahead and click here, questions for Mrs. Dowden. You can fill out this form. So you just put your first name, your last name, your teacher's name, and your question. Okay. Now, if you want to speak to me in person, we can have a conference on Schoology. That means that you can see me and I can see you. So if you're having problems with anything, I can help you, but you have to make an appointment with me. So maybe you could say, Mrs. Dowden, I need help with my reading questions. Can you meet with me today at 11 o'clock or 11 a.m., which is in the morning? Question mark. Okay, so then you can just push submit and I will get that message. Now I will send a message to you in Schoology answering your question, okay? So wait for my answer in Schoology in your messages, okay? Or if you want to, you can just ask me any question that you have, and I can just send you an answer in the messages in Schoology. But if you want to talk to me face to face, we can have a conference inside Schoology where you can see me and I can see you. Okay? All right. Also, if your parents have a question, they can also ask me a question here. Okay? All right. I think that is it. I hope everything goes well, and you can check back every day. I might add some things, but I think for now this is probably enough. And I want you to please try to do your Imagine Learning for 20 minutes every day, if you can. And it's really fun, so you'll enjoy playing it. Okay, I think that's it, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good week.